Arena in San Juan is where we're at. We call it Volleyball Central for the finals. Looking at the Vice Mayor, Francis Zamora, who, by the way, was acknowledged earlier by the crowd also when he was shown, when he was introduced officially. Ito na, yung buong barkada natin ngayon. Si Misha Kimpo has joined. Cara has sat down.
Yeah, full force. Siguro sabi nila, sayang, potential kami.
But they've got to be happy with these girls kasi
they were part of the program.
Yung build-up.
Ano lang yan yung perfect time.
Yep, yung build-up.
Oh, the tall Reyes blocking that dump ball of Jem Perez.
Biggest lead here in this set, 4 points, 9-5.
Oh, nice serve.
Good reception though, which sets up Gretchen Ho. It all starts from the receive.
That's right. And you know, Jem Ferrer in this game, first and second set, is up to this third set, is not receiving a lot of good first balls.
Talaga.
Kaya hindi rin sila masyado makarun ng plays like yung last play with Gretchen Ho because you need a almost perfect set. Carranza, ball handling error.
Lead us down to 2. Former ICA standout. 7-9. Boom Gonzalez, Mosey Ravenna for ABS-CBN Sports. We're live on Studio 23 for those watching the replays on Balls Channel 34. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Tabla po tayo. 1-all for LaSalle and Ateneo in the finals. Kainglet, masyadong mataas.
Even with that high tip ball, still Kainglet getting the point. They'll take it. Naging babagal din yung reaction on the other side.
2 straight points for them.
Oh, that goes wide again.
Good decision by Maraño to
let that go.
And the lead remains at 2.
Yan na naman yung mga freebies that Coach Rogers reminded the girls. On the other side, not too many service errors coming from LaSalle.
You're right.
So mukhang nasolve na nila yung problemang yun.
Look at that. Triple block, check ball, point for Ateneo.
Yan naman kasi si Coach Ramil pagka may problema, he will really address that problem. Kaya nga lagi natin sabi, he always wants perfection. In the perfect nga nila yung elimination round.
Perfect season if they complete it. Wow, Makachi tying this game at 10. Seems to be more loose now, a little more confident.
Smiles on their faces. Yan kasi unexpected That's why hindi ready yung defense ng LaSalle.
Combination play!
And there is no answer yet on the side of Ateneo for this Shaq Cruz attack. Just very high, great angle.
11-10. You know, also, not only are these two schools collegiate rivals as Makachi scores another one, you are also talking about, in terms of individual popularity, these two schools have them. Shaq Cruz, the most popular of them. Michelle Gumabaw there. And then you have Gretchen Ho and Phil Kainglet. And now Valdez has her own following in only 1 year. Less than a year.
You know, volleyball has really grown so much in the last 3-4 years.
Yes.
And it has been an uphill climb for volleyball, and now we are just too happy. Tayo, Boom, no? We're great fans of volleyball.
Galang, she's been quiet. And she announces her return.
Again, targeting that middle portion at the back row of Ateneo's defense. Kanina, dyan din pumunta si Gumabaw, dyan din pumunta si Shaq Cruz.
Former De La Salle Lipa standout. Esperanza serving, 13 serving 11. Pero yun na naman nakita natin, tumabla sila. Kasi ito, naghahabol na naman sa Ateneo.
Laging ganun eh. So,
Back foot.
that's why sabi nga ni Coach Roger, kung pwedeng lumamang, lamangan nyo na.
On the back foot, but they're surviving so far.
Now, Jem Ferrer has that luxury of full front line for her. With Eliza Valdez in front.
Hush in the crowd right now as action resumes. Galang adjusting. Kainglet digging.
Smart move on Jem Ferrer.
Chuck Cruz able to recover. Ferrer again for coverage rather. Popped up by Ferrer. They go to the other side. Herbacio.
Gil Kainglet, that underhand set worked well for G. Herbacio.
Underhand set to Z. Single block.
Goheng is doing an excellent job.
Oh, this is still alive, but it's out.
That goes out.
Any part of your body is a legal hit for those who are watching volleyball for the very first time. It can even be your foot or your shoulder. Lahat pwedeng gamitin. 14 serving 13. Kainglet takes it from Lazaro again.
Beautiful set, but answered well by Del Sal.
Z goes to Valdez. Makes the adjustment. Esperanza was there to dig. Galang! Is that out?
And it's a
It's
check
touched.
ball. It's
Yep.
out, but it's checked. So point goes to the Lady Archers, Lady Spikers.
Ooh, that's a tough ball. That's a tough ball.
Yep, tough one.
You be the judge. It's from our angle, you cannot tell.
Again, faulty first ball reception.
The lead goes up to 3 here in a pivotal third set. Back in a moment.